Again, Joe Lintag 1, Joe McEwen 2, Eric 3, Michael McEwen in 4. So we're going to have Joe Lintag going on the cone in less than 5. Right. Joe McEwen, Eric, and Michael McEwen.
First. Second. Second.
Caution at the start finish line. Caution clear.
First.
I believe Joe and Michael are heading up to Superior again this Tuesday.
Second. Fourth. Third. First.
Ooh, Joe Lintag so close, hitting a 13-second lap. 14.096 now, fast lap.
Third. Third. First.
And there it is, at 13.989 for Joe Lintag.
Second. First.
Now Michael's having a chance to do a 13-second lap.
Second.
Right now, Joe Lintag and Michael McEwen both on 21 lap pace. Eric and Joe McEwen both on an 18 lap pace. Two separate battles on the track.
First. Third. Fourth.
Joe and Michael McEwen, 0.696 apart.
Second.
Eric and Joe McEwen, 0.075 apart.
Third. Fourth. Second.
Less than a second now separating their leaders. Ooh, it's down to 0.178 now.
Third. Fourth. Second. First.
Caution before straight. Clear. Uh-oh.
Second. Fourth.
Eric's trucker.
First.
Another one bites the dust. All right, Joe Lintag shows a 1.9 second lead on Michael.
Second.
Michael has a 26-second lead on his dad.
Second. First.
1:44 remaining.
Third. Second. First. Third. Second.
Joe and Michael still 1.9 apart. They're holding pretty consistent. Nobody gaining on the other driver.
Third. Second.
Now again, they were the two that
First.
switched around the track, which I'm very thankful for.
Third. Second. First.
All right, 45 seconds now remaining. Joe Lintag and Michael still on 21 lap pace. Joe McEwen's on an 18 lap pace.
First.
There's 4 seconds separating our leaders right now. On the track, it only looks like about 10 to 20 feet.
Second. First.
Let's see if Joe can push Michael. who makes a mistake. They're coming up on lap traffic. Michael taps the side of the wall.
Third. Second. First.
Joe McHugh pulls over. These guys are just going out. They are actually 4.7 apart, but all right, race clock is over. Keep going till I tell you you're done.
Second. First.
Joe Lintek's done. Michael's still going. Michael's still going. Joe McEwen's done. Everybody watch the green truck. Pressure. All right, everybody's done. So the end was Joe Lintek, followed by Michael McEwen and Joe McEwen.